Good morning, my dears. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you all are fine. Right. Today, for grade 6, we are going to start new lesson of SPL 4th lesson. Okay, SPL 4th lesson. Key elements of a democratic government. Okay, what are the key elements of a democratic government? That alone we are going to be discuss this lesson. It's quite interesting lesson. In this lesson, you have stories and conflicts of some people. What are the solution given our constitution? Not one Indian constitution. Somewhat other country constitution also we are going to be discussed. Okay. So before we are moving, already we completed 3 lessons, right? Already we completed 3 lessons. Diversity and discrimination. Okay. So like that we completed 3 lessons. So each and every lessons we discuss about some people are not given importance of equality. Okay, not only in our country, in many countries the peoples were not treated in equal manner. Okay, why? Because many reasons. Because money and then their color and the education qualification. These are plays very important role to be treated people in an unequal manner. Okay. For this lesson, okay, today for this lesson, we are going to be first topic. We are going to be discuss about South Africa. Okay, a country of South Africa. You know very well. How many of you watch cricket? Very good cricket team we have South Africa, right? So one of the mineral rich country, South Africa. Where it is located means an African continent, and down the south part we have South Africa country. Okay. So how our India was ruled by British people. Okay. British people only called as white people. Okay. Who are called white people means British people. Okay. Who are belongs to Europe continent. Europe. In that Europe, particularly one of the country, British. Okay, particularly one of the countries, British. The British also called nowadays England, Britain, British, everything same one. Okay, everything indicate only one country. Okay, with the help of atlas, you have to find out where is England located, where is South Africa located. Okay, why I asked you to find out these location means. Suppose we are going to somewhat back. In those days, around 500 years before, our India was very famous of trading. Okay, in trade area, our India was very famous. Many people who are belongs to Arabia, okay, present day Saudi Arabia, you hear no. So in that countryside, Arabia, that Muslim traders, they are comes to India, particularly South India, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and they are buying spices. Okay, they are buying spices, silk, these things and all, and they are sell it to Europe market. Okay, so who plays the important role means that Arab traders. Okay, so one particular time the Arab traders not allowed to sell their trading things to Europe market. Okay, why? Because in that time the area of Turkey was ruled by one of the king. That king was not allowed Arab traders to sell their goods to Europe. Okay, that and all is some other reason that you will study in your higher classes. Okay, so that time many European people they are practiced, they are addict of Indian spices and Indian silk and cotton. Okay, that things and particularly cloves, cinnamon, cardamoms, pepper. Pepper is very important food item of their food. Okay, European people they practice regularly. They are taking pepper as a main food. Why? Because their country was Europe continent. Entire Europe continent was very cold countries. Okay, so pepper gives antibiotic and it gives somewhat heat to body. That's why they are using pepper. Okay, so pepper, where the pepper will grow means the tropic region. Okay, so our country is one of the suitable area for growing pepper. Okay, in Europe continent the area is very cold, I said before itself. So that area is that weather condition not good for growing pepper. Okay, so that the people they are addicted to use the pepper and the spices. So many European governments, okay, many European kings, they sent sailors to search our country, India. Okay, so that time many people they started to find out India. In those days, there is no, nowadays we have transport, no, like that there is no transport. So like that many people they started to search the way, the sea route of India. So that time one of the person, Vasco da Gama, he traveled the sea coast of African continent. Okay, sea coast of African continent. One particular time he reached South Africa, one of the point, okay, one of the place in South Africa, one of the place. He gave the name that place say Point of Caliber. Okay, so after that they are reaching to Cochin. Okay, this history you have to know. Why I said later. Okay, so the searching of these India, so they found the places of African countries. So Africa, you know very well Africa, who the majority people who was the native people of Africa means black people. Okay, they are somewhat tall, they are somewhat dark. Okay, compared to as white people. Okay, so the white people they saw this like people, and Africa was very natural rich country. Okay, many mountains, many rivers, many minerals, particularly gold, diamond, coal and all present lot in that country. Okay, so that white people, okay, that European people, they started to occupy the African country. Okay, many African countries like Jamaica, South Africa, like that many countries were occupied by British people. Okay, not only British, many European country people they occupied the African countries. So when they started to occupy the country, they colonized the country. They are make the people, they are make the native people as a slave in their country. Okay, how the British people ruled India, how they treated Indian people, the same way they treated South African people. Okay, so who are lived in South Africa means, particularly I said before itself, the black people. They are the native people of South Africa, and then white people. I said before itself, who are called as white means the European people, who particularly British people, who settled, who come there and settled there. Okay, and some Indians also settled there. Okay, how Indians they are going and settled there means, that time India started to ruled by British. So many British company, particularly East Indian Company, they are select the Indian peoples from India and they send that people to South Africa to work as a slave in plantations. Okay, particularly tea plantation, coffee plantation, gold mine, and diamond mine. In that places and all, Indians were placed in work as a slave. Okay, so Indians also, the Indians population also somewhat high in South Africa. Okay, just listen. South Africa is a country that has people of several races. Okay, several, what do you mean by races? People of different colors. Okay, people of different color is called as race. Okay, people of different color is called as race. Okay, so South Africa is a country that has people of several races. Okay, so there are black people. Okay, black people, who are called black people, the native African. Okay, the native African people only called as black people. Okay, who belongs to South Africa. Okay, who belongs to South Africa, they are called as black people. And white people, who are called white people, I said before itself, yes, British people. Okay, British people are called as white people who came there to settle. Okay, why they come and settle means for trading purpose, for business purpose. Okay, and Indians B. Okay, so Indians who came as laborers. Okay, who came as laborers and traders. Okay, so the laborers, they are taken by white people to South Africa to work a plantation or mines. Okay, and some traders also they settled in South Africa. How India was ruled by British for a long time. It seemed like South Africa also ruled by British for a long time. Okay. Here now I am going to be explaining one story about a girl, Maya Noida. Okay, Maya Noida. She was a very young girl, around 10 years old. Okay. One day she was helped to her mother to clean her house. Okay. So she cleaned everywhere and she searched something. Okay. So that time she found one of the scrapbook, one of the old album. Okay, with full of particular picture. Okay. So in that picture all are common, and then she asked to her mother, who's this in this picture? Who is this? Like that she asked to mother. So her mother replied, he was Hector Peterson. Okay, he was Hector Peterson. And then her daughter is asked, who is Hector Peterson? What happened to him? Like that she asked. So her mother, she said, in those days our country means here South Africa was governed by British. They followed apartheid laws. They followed apartheid's law. What do you mean by apartheid's law? Means separation on the basis of race. Okay, separation on the basis of race. According to their color, they was ruled. Okay, so in those days in Africa, South Africa, the white people they are enjoying excess power. Okay, the schools, the hospitals, the park, bus, train, everything is separate for white people in South Africa. Okay, the native African people or black people, they are not allowed to enjoy this facility. Suppose they are going to hospital, suppose any emergency, they are calling ambulance, which was fully equipped for white people. Okay, sometime even ambulance also not allowed for black people. Okay, same like one of the incidents, suppose you hear in your lower class, when Mahatma Gandhi was in South Africa. See, after he completed his law, he was going to South Africa and he practiced his lawyer there alone. Okay, then alone he comes to India and he involved freedom struggle to India. Okay, but very first was in South Africa, and he joined many protests against this race discrimination. Okay, so just recall, revise one of the incident that Gandhi faced in train. Okay, often you hear the story. One time Gandhiji was traveling train in South Africa. That compartment was only for white people. So he was sitting in the seat. That time one white man came and he asked, who allowed to you to sit here like that? So Gandhi, he shows the ticket, first class train ticket. I have ticket, that's why I am traveling this coach like that, he said. But the white people, the white person now, he is not ready to accept the point of view of Gandhi. So Gandhiji was in between. Before he was reaching the station, he was removed from the train. Okay, this was very famous incident. Why Gandhi turns to British. Okay, so this comes to the point about Peterson. Okay, Hector Peterson. Okay, so in that time, okay, in the year of 1976, okay, 1970s, the British government, okay, the English people, the British people forced they forced African people, African students to study Afrikaans language. African language which was spoken by white people. White people language only called as Afrikaans language. So that language was forced to study of native people of Africa. Okay. So they are denied to study their own language. What is their language means? Zulu. Okay. Zulu was a native language of South Africa, but the students were forced to study Afrikaans language which was used by British official or administration. So Hector Peterson and his friends, they started to protest against this force, okay, against for learning this Afrikaans language. Okay, they are ready to learn Zulu language only. So they are going to protest, they are conducting rallies like that, they are doing lot of things. So particular time what happened means that 16th June 1976, okay, 16th June 1976, the police people, they warned the protesters, okay, they are giving warning, don't do this like protest like that, they are warning. At last they fire in front of the crowd, okay, in front of the crowd. The crowd is full of school students. So in that crowd, that Hector Peterson was killed by firing. Gun firing, he was killed. Okay, this incident, okay, this death of this Hector Peterson incidents create lot of violence, lot of revolution in South African people. So after that only Nelson Mandela, okay, Nelson Mandela, he was the father of South Africa. How we have father of our Mahatma Gandhi, like that he was the father of South Africa. He started to protest against British government. Okay, so the time was extended. The year of 1994 alone, in the year of 1994 alone, the British government gave freedom to South Africa. Okay, so up to 1994, the British only participation of people in a government, particularly democratic form of government. The role of people is very, very important. Okay, so by election, people, they select their representatives through election. Okay, so they select their representative as a legislative assembly, whether parliament or state legislative assembly, they select a person by election. Okay, so the election process, how many years once election will conduct means according to their the particular country's constitution only defined. In India, every 5 years once the election will held. Okay, in India, every 5 years once the election will held. In that election, the representative who are stand, various political party members, they may stand in election. So out of that people, out of that members, people, they are select a correct personality of that particular constituency. Okay, so a particular political party, a particular person want to again to give his service or her service in that particular constituency means again after 5 years, suppose over means again the person want to stand election and he want to win the election. That time only he can able to continue to become a member of legislation. Okay, this is the way to select election, to select legislative members like MLA, MPs or Panchayat Raj. Okay, the councillor, ward member, everything. Okay, so every 5 years India we conduct election through people who are complete age of 18 or above age of 18. They are allowed to poll vote irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their color, economic status, nothing they borrowed. Okay, so all the people who complete the age of 18, they allowed to vote through election. Okay, so how many years once election will conduct in India? 5 years once. What is the age limit means what is the age approved age for vote means 18 years, okay, 18 or above 18. So this is the way the people participate in election. See who are selected the member of legislative or member of any form of government. They have to focus to rectify the problem of people. Okay, suppose one person who selected a particular ward member or MLA or MP, he have to solve the problem. What are the problem faced by particular area people according where he stand in that area, he have to solve the problems of people. Okay, that is the real success of the government. Okay, so I hope you understand. So I am going to conclude the lesson now. So in your book page number, SPL book page number 35 to 37 I taught today. Okay, 35 to 37, only 3 pages only I teach today. Okay, so what are the things we discuss up to now means we started to discuss about South Africa, the location of South Africa, and how it was started to ruled by British people. Okay, how the people were treated in that country, particularly the race different, white people, black people and Indians, how they are separated by the British, that we discuss. Okay, and then one of the story about Hector Peterson, how he was killed by police, why he lead the protest. Okay, he is against, he is making a protest against to learn about African language. They are ready to study only Zulu language, like that we discuss. Okay, first June month 1976 he was killed by police, that we discuss. So after that Hector Peterson's death, Nelson Mandela he lead the protest. So at last in the year of 1994 South Africa was getting independent, that we discuss, right? So at last topic what we discuss means independent, a particular democracy type of government. What is democracy? What is the role of people? How they want to participate in government, that too we discussed, right? I hope you all are understand. Okay, so for this lesson also you have worksheet. Okay, for this lesson also you have worksheet. What are the things you need to complete the worksheet means you have MCQ question, MCQ or short question, short type question, and some hard question I am going to be asked this topic. Okay, hard question. You have to think and write. Suppose you are the particular, I will give the situation. In that situation, how you will react. Okay, so like that you have some general worksheet. You have to complete worksheet. You are supposed to read page number 35, 36, 37. Remaining we will discuss the next class. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day.